Hi, I'm Theo. I improved my puppet hand design a bit. So these are the old hands with attached hand rods, and these were made with the disc 3D printed parts that have two plates on each side that go through the discs, and those were held in place by a press fit. So they could get detached over time, and also they permanently attached the arm rods to the hands of the puppet. And some puppeteers had told me that they would prefer removable hand rods. So what I came up with is an updated design for the disc that now has a hole in it that fits exactly a 6 mm diameter Chicago screw. And I made a new base plate for it that is printed with flexible TPU material. And this base plate already has a structure on top that makes it really easy to attach a bendable wire to it. So you can bend all the fingers where you want one. And you can still rotate the disc. And of course, on top of fingers, there will be a layer of foam added later. So they will more or less have the same shape than the old models. But only other changes that I made is the length of the fingers. I added about 5 mm because for some tasks these fingers were a little bit too short. Apart of that, not much has changed. We still operate the same way. When the hand rod is attached, the arm of the puppet pulls on the hand, and that means if the hand goes up, the hand does automatically rotate by just having the arm of the puppet pull on it. And if the hand goes down, it will pull downwards. That's it for now. Bye bye.